So, today's video is actually our first cooking tutorial. Yay! First of many. I will be starting a series for you guys where I just kind of teach you guys. There's a bug. There's a bug. There's a bug. There's a bug. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. We can't kill the spider. It's bad luck to kill spiders. Aw, damn. I killed it.
You killed it?
Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, little spider. What's up, y'all? It's Taylor Jade, aka T Jade, aka Iron Chef, aka Master Chef, aka I'm about to teach y'all how to cook. So today's video is a cooking tutorial. It's my channel's very first cooking tutorial, very first of many. I'm actually going to be starting a series, basically just teaching you how to cook. Everyday meals, quick meals, basically teaching you guys how to use what's already in your kitchen. Lord, I can hear y'all in the comments already. Look, I don't care if this is not how your abuelita or your granny or your nana makes it, okay? This is how Taylor makes it. So y'all gonna listen to me, okay? Let's get started. So you're gonna get bell peppers, you're gonna get onions, you're gonna get garlic. I'm using this minced one from Costco. And you're gonna get your veggies. I'm just using broccoli, but you can use as many veggies as you want. You're gonna get pineapple, Thai chili, and chicken. Usually chicken breast, but that'll do. You're gonna get your garlic salt, cane sugar, chicken seasoning, ground black pepper, soy sauce or tukseo in Khmer, vinegar, oyster sauce.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get it.
Okay, I'm really clumsy. And fish sauce or tuktray in Khmer. So usually cha is made with chicken breast, but since this was the only chicken that was already thawed out in the refrigerator, I just had to make it do what it do. So to save yourself some time and effort, get chicken breast instead. That way you could just chop it up real quick and throw it in a pot, so you don't gotta sit here and work extra hard like me. Anyways, alright, so after you're done prepping, you're gonna turn your stove on to medium-high heat and make sure it's not too hot because as you can see, once I add the oil and the garlic to saute it, it starts to pop. I'm using extra virgin olive oil here. That's what I'm using, but you can use any oil that you have in your pantry or that you prefer to use. So I'm adding my garlic, and you can see it starts to pop, and you don't want that because it creates a mess on your stove and you got to clean it up, and it's just extra work for you. I just want to let y'all know that there's not going to be any measurements for any of these cooking videos, okay? Because I don't use measurements when I cook. Cambodian people, we kind of just cook to taste and we eyeball that motherfucker. So just know more is better, and if it's still not flavorful enough, you can always go back and add it again at the end. So don't worry about that. So I added a little bit of fish sauce. I added a little bit of oyster sauce. And then I will proceed to add a little bit of garlic black pepper. You're going to add just a little bit of water, just to give it a little bit of steam. Not too much because you don't want to make it into soup. When you put the top on, the steam will automatically obviously turn into water. So you already have a lot. So I just added sugar. And then I'm going to chop up the chilies, which I did, and add it to the chicken. As you can see, that's all water from the steam. Now, rice cooking. It's really easy. Just wash it until the water is clear. And then once you put it on the stove, you're going to make sure the top is on, and you're going to turn the heat to high. I suck at making rice on the stove because I don't pay attention. Because the trick to making rice on the stove is you have to make sure that you turn it all the way back to low as soon as the water starts boiling. Alright guys, and now I just added the broccoli. If you're wondering why I kept the chicken bones in there, because there was still some meat on there and it kind of preserves some of the flavor too. I want to get that bone marrow, that delicious bone juice.
What?
I don't know what I'm talking about. Anyways, so this is after it's been sitting for about I'll say like 10 minutes. So after about 10 minutes, you add your veggies in, broccoli, your bell pepper, and just stir. I will not be adding the pineapple though until the very last minute because I don't want it to be overly cooked. Alright guys, so it's like 5 minutes later. I just let it all cook for a little bit. I let the broccoli and the bell pepper sit for about 5 minutes, and this is the result. As you see, I'm adding the fresh pineapple. I like to do this at the very end when everything's just about cooked because it is pineapple and I don't want it to be super mushy. I still want it to have a little crunch to it. A crunch. That's not the right word. A crisp. No, that's not the right word either. I don't know, but you know what I'm trying to say. Okay? Okay, so the rice is done. You're going to turn off your stove and you get to see how it looks. Your rice should come out looking something like this. If it's too mushy, that means you put too much water in it. If it looks really like dry or crispy or crusty, that means you didn't put enough, or you let the water boil for too long. And this is the finished product. This is your pineapple chicken stir fry. Quick and easy. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what other dishes you want to see on this channel.